Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix challenge required on Instagram. So if you're facing this problem, you won't be able to use Instagram because it's just going to show you that error. I also had that error in the past, but I just fixed it, and let me show you how I did it. So the first thing you want to do is just close your Instagram and reopen it again. Sometimes just doing simple things like this works. But let's say it didn't work for you. In that case, check your Wi-Fi to see if it is fast or not. To check it, just go play a YouTube video. If it is lagging when you're playing a YouTube video, it's your slow internet connection. But if YouTube and all the other app is running smoothly, then it's not your internet connection problem. In that case, what you need to do is just delete your Instagram and reinstall it again. So just hold on your Instagram icon, click on remove app, click on delete app, and click on delete. Once you delete your Instagram app, just open your app store, and in your app store search for Instagram and then download Instagram. Sometimes due to a bug it causes this problem, so when you delete an Instagram account, you download the latest version of Instagram and you download the bug-free version of Instagram as well. So just click on the cloud icon and Instagram will start to download. Once its downloading is complete, open it, your problem should be fixed. And make sure to check if Instagram servers are down or not. For that, just open up a browser and on your browser search for is Instagram down. Just simply search for this. And you want to scroll a bit down, and where it says down detector, click on down detector, and it's going to show you if Instagram is down or not. So it says user report indicating no problem in Instagram, which means Instagram is facing no problem right now. But if it says Instagram was facing the problem, then that's the issue. In that case, the only thing you can do is wait until Instagram is fixed and just hop back into your account and start using it. So that's how you guys can fix challenge required an Instagram problem. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.